Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Bitcoin's price action continues to draw attention as it briefly surpassed $87,000 in today's trading session, marking a notable 3.3% increase over the past 24 hours. Though it has since slightly pulled back to around $86,815 at the time of writing, the asset's gradual recovery since last week appears to be building a foundation for potential upward movement. At Bitcoin Bulletin, we're closely monitoring technical and on-chain trends as sentiment begins to lean toward a short-term bullish outlook. But despite these promising signs, not all investor groups are experiencing profits, with short-term holders still facing unrealized losses. In fact, our analysis reveals that short-term holders, or those who purchased BTC within the last 6 months, remain in an unrealized loss position. Their average acquisition price stands at approximately $91,000, forming a key resistance level that may influence upcoming price movement. As long as Bitcoin trades below this level, latent sell pressure could persist, especially if upward momentum stalls. Now, let's take a closer look at some bullish indicators and how they might be shaping the market. A recent analysis shared by CryptoQuant contributor EdgyHash outlines several key metrics, suggesting that Bitcoin could be preparing for another upward leg. Notably, there's been a significant $6 billion rise in open interest across derivatives markets over the past 2 weeks. This increase typically reflects increased participation or confidence in the direction of price movement. What's more, exchange inflows have declined notably during this same period. When fewer coins are sent to exchanges, it can imply reduced intent to sell, as holders typically deposit assets to liquidate them. This reduction in exchange inflow has been interpreted as a decrease in selling pressure, potentially supporting a more stable price environment in the short term. So, what does this mean for Bitcoin's future? Well, at Bitcoin Bulletin, we believe that these on-chain metrics collectively hint at a market that may be gearing up for a continuation of its current trend, assuming external variables remain favorable. But we also need to consider the diverging outcomes among investor categories. New investors, those who entered the market within the past month, have recently returned to profit with a realized gain of 3.73%. This group is showing signs of renewed confidence, potentially contributing to near-term price support. Meanwhile, short-term holders remain in loss and could sustain latent sell pressure unless Bitcoin closes firmly above the $91,000 mark. Until that happens, we'll continue to monitor the market closely at Bitcoin Bulletin. Our team of experts will be keeping a watchful eye on technical and on-chain trends to bring you the latest insights and analysis.